Yo, what up? Welcome back. It's your boy Young Weasel, and this is Fixing the MK1. So in the previous episode, so what's the current situation?
You move up.
Ja.
Kom. Kan zien ze
Mijn
wat
nek trekt stijf.
was lang als mijn zoon.
Sponsored by Q20.
Wat voor een motor je moet.
Die man zei dat is fighting mis. Kijk hier. Jou was ready 18 jaar en 18 jaar, right?
Yeah.
What did you say? You was ready 18 year and water. This is what a jack stand look like. That come from Zone Fitness.
Today we are partially disassembling the motor and basically checking if everything is okay on the motor, and then we're gonna check the gasket seals as well and just do an overall inspection to check if everything is fine. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also drop a comment. If you even have any tips for us what we can do better or what you would have done, drop it down below. It will really be appreciated, and also whoever is in the comment section reading it might help them as well. So yeah, let's get in today's video. Yeah, so we got Wella here back in the
business.
We got Ezra back in the business. Boys, oh yeah, wait, today
Nee. Ik zie wel alles in de. Hij was net van roestakjes.
Roes.
Ja.
Ja.
Okay, so today, what's planned today?
Today.
Is het laatst afgebruikt? Gedaan, bouwen ze op.
Today we're gonna clean up, and then after clean up we take it one step at a time.
Away.
Ze met glazen hier in elkaar.
Huh?
Die mensen zijn Poolse slee.
Huh? What is this? Oh, I think that's maybe from one of the lights. I don't know.
We gaan naar Jeffrey Downs of wat zeg je? Die mannen love slee.
What did you want to say?
There's absolutely no necessity for us to do any of the cleaning, but the reason why we want to do that is so that we can make sure once we put everything back together again, that should there be a seal maybe that is cracked or somewhere there's a leak, we'll be able to see it much visible with the eye, because at this point in time the motor is covered with a lot of mixture of debris, so grease, oil, a little bit of everything, and so just cleaning down the motor is going to give us a good perspective. Post dropping the motor, if there's going to be any leaks, we'll be able to see it much more visibly. And just a fresh motor. Who doesn't want a fresh motor?
That man smile, just throwing a smile in there for the ones. Yo. What's like a tip that you should do and shouldn't do when cleaning the motor?
Don't mess up anything mechanically, so make sure that your timing is set. I mean, you can set it afterwards, but just make sure you leave it the way it was to prevent anything. And then close the ports that's not supposed to be open. I wouldn't touch anything but the carburetor. Furthermore, we're changing the rear main seal, so make sure that's also closed when we're cleaning it up. So you don't want any dirty debris going in here. And yeah.
Maybe also like the wires. Can that also be like a...
The wires, yes, but most of them we have already removed.
Yeah.
So the ones that we do have exposed right now, that's fairly okay, because it will be dry by the time that we connect them all together. And yeah, that's pretty much
They must keep in mind when they do that.
Yeah.
How's it going, Ezra? Yeah, by my car,
Ahoy.
doing all the finer details.
Out there being easy.
What would you need to clean the engine? Just in case. We didn't cover that also. Just in case the people need to know.
Engine cleaner, but if you can get Blixen, green bottle, that shit is, yeah, what does the job what starts the job. But engine cleaner will be also fine. If you have any thinners, people use thinners.
Does thinners work?
Diesel. It will, but then obviously it's like cleaning any other thing. So take off most of the debris and then you just go lightly over with your cleaning detergent, which would be a thinners, a diesel, or anything like that.
And what like utensils? Is that the right word? Utensils or tools? Is it tools?
Tools. We have a wire brush, or we're using a wire brush, and it's just making the process a little bit easier. So it scrapes off the grease much easier instead of using a cloth, because then you're just going to move the dirt from one corner to another corner. Take the most off. Yeah, that's about it.
And then we're applying the do you have like
Engine cleaner with a brush, yeah.
also a brush? Could you use like a spray bottle?
Yeah.
Would that be more effective?
A combination of the two, because at some point in time you're still going to have to get into the crevices, and I don't think the spray bottle is going to effectively move everything.
Yo,
So
mine's using crevices. The people's gonna be like crevices.
If it's not die people. En ik ben net gevraagd, waarom praat die man aan?
you have gasket sealer.
Gasket sealer.
The best in the business, Victor Reinz. See, when a non-cobra already know Victor Reinz, then you know, best in the business. The objective is to be able to eat from the motor.
We have the first issue. Maybe many to come, but this is like the first, like the engine mounting is torn, which is not a good sign. So need to be replaced. More issues have occurred. Gasket. That's supposed to be what? Like all, like not so stiff like the.
Wants to be more flexible.
More flexible. Okay. So that's an issue.
The stiffness on the gasket is allowing the oil to leak out. As you can see at the back, it's seeping on this side, so it pretty much gave the exhaust gaskets wet as well, and then it dirtied up the whole back side of the motor. And that's exactly what we were trying to look for and to find, so that we don't have to repeat the same oil issues.
Yeah. The first thing we saw was just now obviously the engine mounting, and now it's the gasket, tappet cover gasket, or valve cover. Yeah.
Yun, saya rabad lang marali, what's the thing is man,
So what's the next?
Now we need a 30 shocker to finish the ice cream. So there's a 30 shocker in the back.
So the motor is clean. Yeah, nah, that side don't go. That side, you have to like... Oh shit, I forgot about your girl up my stones. So yeah, we finished the cleaning of the motor. It looks it looks sexy now. No more unattractive looking engine, so we have it like good now. Yeah, so for now we're sticking it in the back. So will I say we just need the gasket,
We
Gasket
need
kit, fan belt, timing belt.
full gasket kit, timing belt, fan belt,
A team belt.
ja, dat ik al je begint. Ja,
no pressure.
engine mounting, and then
It should be
gearbox oil.
yeah. That I can get
Do you
that
have it?
Midas as well.
Ja,
Okay, Midas.
gearbox oil.
Then it should be
Then we should be even away.
okay.
Heb ik dat eerder al gezien?
And below, mark one bucket.
Ja.
Comment down below in the comment section. You can mark one bucket.
So yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also comment down below what you thought of today's video. If you have any tips for us, what you would have done. Basically, every comment is important and helpful to us, and also to the next person that's also in the comment section. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.